Okay, so today I am going to discuss Gen AI Infra, but before that, I just want to give a brief picture. What is the Devops or Infra, like Kate, OpenShift, these guys' future? Why? Because these days developers and I'm listening some news like Google, Microsoft had fired some employees. So let me tell you one thing. These days GPU or TPU, these kind of highly intensive, power intensive and high performance enabled things coming into the market. So what we can say is, although I'm not aware about what will happen to our developers, because there will be jobs, because you can't depend everything on agentic AI. So, but yeah, but from infra perspective, let me show you how this is a boom for infra guys, we can say, or there will be more requirement for our infrastructure guys or DevOps or whoever who is doing model ops, ML ops. So we can say there will be a transformation like ML ops, model ops, and there may be another things, or we can you can just explore. So I'm just going to give you high level overview. So whatever is a software, suppose this is your software, this is going to sit on top of infra. Now coming to the clear picture. So when we say infra, so infra means compute, storage, and networking. Now I will be discussing about our topic, how this is going to help us. So suppose I'm going to create a chatbot infra or Gen AI chatbot. What I need is GPU, compute, networking switch, and then what we can say storage, object storage, and then DB, vector DB. And these rack, power, all these things will be required for your infra purpose. So when it comes to creating that infra, now quickly draw a simple architecture for a chatbot. Let's give it chatbot. So what you will be needed? You will be needed base infra where there will be rack or some, but we can say cluster. If it is a bare metal cluster, then you can say there will be a control plane and there will be a worker node. So that will be a master, that will be a worker. So master will be having three control plane and then there will be worker. So these will be CPU based, because whenever you are going to host your chatbot, you will host it on worker node. So this will require GPU here, and this GPU will be hosting your model, that will be SLM, small language model, or LLM, large language model. So they will be hosted here, and these model will perform and require parallel distribution or parallel computing. Those are very advanced topics, so I'm not going to discuss. But GPU based or architecture will be required here. And on top of that, you can use, if you don't want, then you can use your virtualization layer. And on top of that, you will be hosting your container platform. And on top of that, you can host your AI solution, which can use agentic AI, or that is a buzzword these days, but nothing but microservices. So these are microservices. When I talk about container platform, so here you guys come like DevOps, MLOps, ModelOps, or you can think about other word, but this is the orchestration platform. So here OpenShift will come into the picture, and Kubernetes. Whoever wants security or don't want headache, they will go for OpenShift. Whoever don't have money and have cost factor, or they want open source, they can go Kubernetes, or they can going, if they are going on cloud, so they will use this platform. But then it comes to the DevOps or container specialist, or these guys role will come into the picture here. So what I can say is everything which will be on AI will require infra. So we can say AI will be on based on infra. Infra means, GPU, CPU and everything, but this will be on a orchestration platform. And so for you, this will be the best. If you are learning Kubernetes or container platform, then CI/CD, because pipeline will be required, and you have to train the model for that training and these things. So whatever are you doing, so you just need to upgrade, like deploying your models, model deployment, and creating a chatbot. So through that you can do this. So but I'm not going to explain how to deploy a model, but for learning purpose you can start with the Podman. I have, this is AI lab. If you see here, I think it is not connected. So this is a recipe catalog. Here you can see natural language processing, chatbot, then summarizer. A lot of things are here, very easy way. And if you will click on this, and so it will show you how this is going to start. So you will create a container for your chatbot. You will download a model, and then you will build the model services, and then you will deploy that. So infra guys, I don't think for you there will be any, what I can say is, threat of firing from the company, because you will be required for orchestration, and this is a production environment or other environment, they can't depend totally on AI. So you have to do this part, and although you can take help from AI creating those images, but the thing is we will be required. So this is llama stack, and these are the some AI related things. So you just need to learn basic. You don't need to go in depth, but how to containerize a model and those things you can do, and that will be very easy for you for going forward. So what I can say is, for us, whoever is in the infra, devops, or these fields, so for you people, MLOps and other guys, there is a lot of plenty of opportunity will be there in future. So hopefully you don't need to worry like what is going to happen, because coding part I don't know, there is lot of agentic AI bugs, so I'm not sure. But infra or DevOps or MLOps, whoever are uh, working like these combination, so they will be uh, getting opportunities, plenty of opportunities for working further. So be focused and keep learning new things, and that is my suggestion. And even I am learning AI and everything, although containerization and deploying a model is very easy, but training and other things, so there that takes time. So just keep learning those things and prepare for the future. But you just need to upgrade from DevOps to MLOps to model ops like this. But this part will be your what I can say key strength here. So you don't need to worry about what is going to happen in future. So that's all from my side. And if, thank you for your patience for listening me.